Magsisine kami ngayon sa SM.
Nakakasiyan! Guys! Guys, di!
So cute!
Next time na lang, Molly.
Okay.
Babay ka naman ulit.
Bye-bye, Molly.
Bruh. What the dog doing?
Hi, guys. Nakapag-park na kami. Ayan. Happy family. Happy family.
So cute!
Ang init, guys. Outfit check. This is our outfit check. May artista pala dito, guys. There's like so many people right there. See?
What the dog doing?
Punta na tayo, guys, dun sa cinema. Ayan, guys. See? So, guys, so we're here at DQ, Dairy Queen. Dahil masaya siya, meron siyang ice cream. Uy.
Thank you, Mama. This is again.
Hello. Yan, guys, tayo pa rin tao. For real. We're buying another food. Ano nyo, guys, yung ano? That's so big.
Ano na to?
Guys, ang tagal! Narinig nyo yun, guys. Mga fans ko yun, guys. Medyo okay na kasi sabi ko, huwag na masyadong maingay. Nakakaya naman. Alright, guys. Bawal diba mag-vlog sa loob ng sine. Of course. So, see you guys later. Bye! Alright, guys. Nandito na tayo.
Ay, wag na pala. Padala lang muna tayo.
Guys, ang sikip. There's like no leg from here.
Bruh.
Mag-enjoy kayo sa pelikula. Ang nag-iisang mahal ni Kevin Cosme, ang aming nanay, Azor Pizinova, Lilia. Hello, good evening. Ay, good evening ba?
Hi guys, so nandito pa rin sila.
14 years.
Picture na lang po. Picture na lang with all of the audience. Tayo! Yung mga nasa taas.
Pwede mag-flashlight. Guys can see me na. Guys, they're so tagal.
Sana ng mga nasa baba po ng flash. Thank you! Ayan. 1, 2, 3, smile. Thank you so much.
Bruh.
Tagal nila, guys. Alright guys, we're gonna watch the movie now. That's 3:48. Yun yung isida.
Bibili ako pa.
10 kilos
Is
yan.
10 kilograms. Ayoko na. Bigat. Binili si Mira bike. Taxi! 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 Give me some taxi! Oh no! Taxi! Oh no! Kay Lucas na lang! Ay, wait lang! Wait! Wait lang.
Joke lang yun. Sasabihin niya, joke lang yun. Eh, nyam 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 nyam. Chuk 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 chuk.
Flying tiger. It's giving. Sorry, who are you? Hi guys, tapos na kami kumain. Naayos ni Papa lahat. Inugasan niya daw yan mamaya.
Sana all baliw! Baliw! Baliw!
Yan yun. May pangalan ng Maru.
Ay, bato.
Maru.
Okay na po.
Say hello to the vlog. Hi guys, we're outside na. Madusa guys. Mahulog. Serbian lady.
Pagkatapos po ako naman.
Magsa-Serbian lady ako guys. You wanna see?
Ako naman.
Wala. Marunong na kayo magbukas ng gate? Galing! Sana ilaw. Patay mo ilaw. Natakot si Mira. Okay guys, thank you guys for watching. I have school tomorrow. Magbablog ako bukas. Depende kung trip ko.